In this video, I want to talk about why you should stop paying 5 different SEO tools. So let's just say you paid for SEO Writer and you paid for SEMrush for optimizing, research keywords and every single thing. So, but even in the SEMrush itself, they offer all the content, but you should purchase different plans and you should read the terms and conditions. But let me just talk about this RWA, especially this software which caught my attention, which is they offer with a one plan. So let's just say this one solo, right? With a one plan, you'll get unlimited auto blogs. Like you can create auto blog campaigns, like auto publish from RWA to WordPress. You'll just need to start and you have to do nothing else. And then you have got the site optimizer, which is instantly analyzes your site with AI, automatically acts on insights and boosts SEO in real time. You have got the automatic internal linking and external linking, connects to the web to pull out the real-time and updated information. All integrations including WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, and 150 plus supported languages, and also featured in article images, YouTube videos, and YouTube video to blog posts automation, and also auto keyword research. You don't even need to go and find the keywords from other tools like keyword research tools like SEMrush, AI Tutorials itself. You will get easy to rank keywords on autopilot. And also, if you go for a higher plan, you can create custom content templates or sub accounts. You can white label SEO reports. Like if you're running a SEO agency, then you can white label SEO reports. Add the knowledge bases or translations and even the web hooks. And you also have pay as you go software. Okay. The idea is this: instead of splitting all your content creation team, different SEO tools, get it all in one place, which is RWA. The link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out. I'll leave the link in the description.